guys, how we are doing? I want to say very big thank you to all my viewers all over the world. Thank you so much, my subscribers, my members, all my YT family. Thank you for your massive support. Today, you guys know I love my coffee. I don't know why people will not like coffee. Guys, you are missing if you are not a lover of a coffee. Today, I'm showing you how I make my instant caramel iced coffee. As you may already observe in my channel, I love all kinds of coffee. Today, I am gonna show you my easy way to make instant caramel iced coffee recipe. It's perfectly bursting with refreshness for this hot summer weather. You can drink it cold or you can drink it warm. It's warm today. I got my ice cube there. I got my caramel that I'm already made, homemade caramel with yogurt, yeah? Then I got my good coffee. I use quality coffee when I drink coffee. I use quality coffee, yeah? So now I'm gonna put my cup in there. I'm gonna brew my coffee first. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna brew my coffee. Yeah, I love coffee. I'm a lover of coffee. I don't play with my coffee. You brew your coffee first. Allow it to cool. Okay? Now I'm gonna brew my coffee first. Okay? Use warm water to brew your coffee. Then allow your coffee to cool. When it cool down properly, then you start the process. Okay? That is my coffee there. This is my coffee. I'm using unsweetened almond milk. Okay? Vegan one. So that is the cup I'm using. Right? So I'm gonna put in my block first, my ice cube. This drink is bursting with refreshness. It's bursting with refreshness, guys. People say they don't like coffee. Guy, you are missing. You better go and start trying it. You are missing, man. You are missing. You are missing. So I'm gonna put my milk in. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. It's buzzing. Look at that, guys. Oh, this is beautiful, man. I'm gonna tip in my caramel on top. Look at that. It's buzzing, man. Look. Ooh, this is beautiful.